Amid the frozen stillness of the northern forest, a lone cry cuts through the silence. Sharp, haunting, deliberate. The prey hesitates, pressing deep tracks into the snow. But the hunter only grows stronger. These are no reckless killers. They are warriors of the wild, strategists and survivors. Moving as one, the pack glides through the storm, a living machine, cold, precise, unstoppable. In this land of ice and shadow, every breath is a vow, every step a challenge. This is their world. This land belongs to the wolf. As dawn creeps over the horizon, the forest stirs. The snow glows blue under the early light, and faint paw prints trace stories written overnight. Beneath the trees, the pack regroups. Silent, yet alive with energy, the alpha leads with quiet authority. No need for roars, no need for force. One glance, one subtle shift, and the message is clear: move. The air here is thick with scent: elk, hare, fox, the language of survival carried on the wind. Every member of the pack reads it like instinctive poetry. Their bodies are lean, built for endurance. Their senses sharper than any weapon. They don't chase blindly, they calculate. They adapt, they wait for the perfect moment. Out here, strategy means everything. A wolf doesn't waste energy. He studies the rhythm of the land, the crunch of snow beneath hooves, the way wind carries sound, the pulse of life itself. When they strike, it's not chaos, it's choreography. Each wolf knows his role, his timing, his place in the hunt. The young ones, still learning, watch and mimic. Every step they take is a lesson in patience. Every mistake, a reminder of nature's brutal fairness. There are no second chances in this world, only experience. By midwinter, the pack moves across miles of snow, tracing frozen rivers, scaling ridges, reading the map of survival etched into the earth. Hunger is the heartbeat that drives them forward. They don't hunt for sport or greed or thrill. They hunt because the cold demands it. Because in this frozen kingdom, mercy doesn't exist. The kill, when it comes, is quick, efficient, not cruel. A moment of life exchanged for another. The forest falls silent afterward, as if paying respect. This is nature's oldest agreement: survival without waste, dominance without arrogance. At night, when the wind howls through the trees, they answer, not with rage but with unity. A howl is not just a call, it's a declaration. It says, "We are here." It marks territory, gathers family, strengthens bonds. To hear a pack howl together is to feel the heartbeat of the wilderness itself. Yet even among unity, solitude has a voice. There are wolves who walk alone, the outcasts, the dreamers, the challengers. They leave behind the safety of the pack to carve their own path through snow and silence. Alone, their eyes burn brighter, instincts sharper, spirits harder. These are the lone wolves, symbols of independence, resilience, and untamed freedom. But the wild isn't kind to solitude. Every step alone is a gamble. No pack to share warmth, no eyes to warn of danger. Yet through every hardship, the lone wolf evolves and stronger, wiser, reborn through struggle. Out here, isolation doesn't break you. It reveals who you truly are. And when the snowstorm finally clears, when the sky opens and light floods the forest again, the wolves emerge, their fur glistening, their breath heavy, their spirits unbroken. They are nature's balance, fierce yet loyal, ruthless yet graceful. For centuries, humans have feared them, hunted them, misunderstood them. But the truth is simpler and far more profound. The wolf is not the villain of the story. He is its keeper, a guardian of equilibrium, a teacher of survival, a mirror of our own lost instincts. So when the night grows quiet and a distant howl cuts through the cold air, listen closely. That sound carries the echo of everything the wild still remembers. Loyalty, courage, unity, and the will to endure. Because the spirit of the wolf isn't just out there, hidden in the snow. It lives in every heart that refuses to break, in every soul that fights, adapts, and survives.
If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Universe of Wild, where every creature has a story to tell.